Hello! Today is a very special day, kaya isasama ko kayo. At eto na nga, bumabiyahe na kami. It's a very cold and gray day. Pero okay lang yan, kasi special naman ang araw na ito. O eto na, we have reached our destination. Nandito na kami. Aga kami. Kasi nagbago na kami. Hindi na kami late.
1 hour early.
After 20 plus years. Hello! Welcome!
Hi, welcome to Chires Vlog.
Hello! Ito ang aking mga maka more than 20 years in service. Jane, Ate Pita, Kuya Mario,
23 this year.
Irene, Gina and Christine.
Mga antique.
Are you ready for afternoon tea? Oo, doon daw. Ang daming tao doon. Afternoon tea sa Jukes Regency. 2 to 5. Magpakita namin sa inyo. Hindi kami nagbibiro Meron talagang afternoon tea.
Afternoon tea.
Oo, diba? May chandelier.
Grand staircase at saka chandelier.
Kasi it's awards night. Pasok na kami sa
Sa kainan.
papasok na kami sa kainan. Ang ganda naman ng hair mo, Jean.
Ang like this nga.
Are you excited to receive your award?
I'm excited for the cake and the sun.
Ito na ang Jukes room, Regents registration. Tapos isurrender mo ang jacket mo doon if you don't wanna carry. Cloakroom. Cloak area. Sila hindi sila nilalamig. Ang tapang nyo, iwan yung jacket mo. Ito ang mga kasamahan. Here it is. Saan ang stage dive? Doon ba?
Malayo pa lalakarin natin.
Dito tayo? Ba't hindi doon sa unahan?
Oo, para pag tinawag, malapit na. Doon na tayo sa harap.
Sa gilid. Sa gilid. Hello! Hello, kabayan.
Up of the force.
We go to here. Hello, Mori!
Ganda naman na sister. Naging lechon.
Ito lang ang plato ng afternoon tea. Pero umaasa kami may adobo, no? Kasi sinangal.
See, I like
Elderflower. Oh, okay. We'll try.
orange juice.
Okay, we'll try the elderflower. You are right about it. Elderflower. This is elderflower. Ayan, isa na lang. We'll wait for it. I'll just get the juice. We have our drink. Yay! Cheers! Kuya Mario, cheers! 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 Yay!
Another 8.
Before retirement. Before retirement, cheers. So, ayan na daw, dumadating na kami afternoon tea.
Picture ako sabi ko sa
Dami ng tao.
siguro depende sa number.
Chocolate cake. May chuba chenes. May sandwiches. Ano ba yung scones? And some more
diba?
sandwiches. May pa-coffee. Scones.
Bakit pahit mo lang?
Share sa clotted cream.
ask for the tables to enjoy my job. I love my job. I really do. It's not always easy, and not every day's, you don't always go home at the end of the day thinking that was a great day. But that's life, isn't it? You have great days and lots of good days. The reason I have good days more often than not is because of people like you. It's just so nice to be able to get people together, particularly people that have worked for a very long time for the Trust, really dedicated and supported the Trust. So it's really nice to get you together and say thank you, and thank you for all the hard work that you do. We've got colleagues in the room today who have been here 20 years, 30 years, 40 years plus, which is absolutely amazing. And it's what makes a successful trust as well. It's great to see new blood coming in, it's great to see new ideas, but actually it's so good to have experience and people that have been here for a long time, who know how things work, who can point to what works in the past and what we need to do more of in the future. So I'm really, really keen that we support you so that you can stay here for as long as you want to, and hopefully that's a very, very long time.
Sorts of issues. It's great to see you all. It's really great to be here. And just to give you all a big thank you, I think, for the amazing work that you've done over all of these years. I think we were averaging out at about 250 years per table, which was quite a lot. Lisa Almaguera. Manolita Alvar. Michelle Dunning. Simon Daniel. Simon here.
Ganyan mo ako. Pa-TikTok.
Martin Gibson. Martin Gibson. Laura Greaves. Rolando Gordon.
Tandem.
Saskia Harden. Joy Howard. Maria Hearn. Julie Hussey. Nicola Johnson. Tanya Kennedy.
Hello, Miss Graduate.
Corey Keeley. Caroline Laidlaw. Maria Longit.
Maria Longit siya.
We get Maria as well.
Same.
Maria Longit. Linda Marsh. Jonathan Nguyen. Julie Oakley.
Thank you. And Shadja. And Mark. And Angie.
Anita Santos.
Sansano.
Jackie Saunders. Caroline Schmidt.
Naka-batchmates.
Milagros Selby. Rachel Gerard. Paula Shortman. Mel Simpson.
Teka na, wait na.
Phoebe Smith. Julius Torres.
Charlie Singh.
Gloria Torres. Mario Villanueva. Maria
Mayor.
Maria Asuncion.
Pat. Pat.
Yung kay Julius, hindi pa kinuha.
Pat, kunin mo kay Julius.
Ay, hindi na pwede.
Rebecca Waters, thanks you have given 40.
Oh. Next award yung mga naka-foreign service.
So look, thanks everybody. Really enjoyed that. It's nice to see everybody today. As Patrick said, it'd be great if we get a photograph of everybody together. Huge thanks again, and let's go and have a photograph now.
The best coffee. Ano pong masasabi niyo sa ating long service recognition? Masarap?
Unlimited coffee.
Unlimited coffee. Ano gusto mo?
Cafe.
Kape, masarap ang kape.
More cakes.
Cakes.
Ano gusto mo? I'm still waiting for my flowers and voucher.
Okay.
Wala.
Wala kang nagustuhan? Ikaw?
Day trip to France.
Yung scones, di ba? Ang dami nakain ah.
Salmon.
Scone, ayaw mo sandwich. Sandwich. Salamat, magpasalamat. Ano? The best ang coffee. Magpasalamat naman kayo sa NHS. Thank you. Thank you.
Papa-frame namin to. Papa-frame.
Yes.
Kasi baka maitapon lang. Siguro naman sa 30 years namin, meron kaming flowers and voucher.
Yes. And trip to France. Bye-bye.
Or one sacks of fries.